Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Simplero versus Kajabi. It's the big Saturday night fight, folks. Who's going to come on top? I think I've got some great insights. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you've got Simplero against Kajabi. Obviously, Kajabi is the bigger platform, but Simplero is coming up. Basically, they're very similar. Simplero has got some strengths, but Kajabi's got some strengths. They're both full Swiss Army knife cloud-based solutions aimed at entrepreneurs trying to build a membership community experience on the net, basically. I'm going to look at the monthly plans. This is one of the big differences, is price. The starter plan for Simplero starts at around $70. The Kajabi version starts at $149. At those starter plans, they do have some major limitations. On the next plan up, Kajabi starts at around $200. Simplero starts at around about 170. So you're saving a bit of money there. Now, when it comes to the core functionality, they're very similar. I think Kajabi has a slightly more polished UX usability in the back of the system. One of the nice things about Simplero is it offers a certificate builder. You don't get that with Kajabi. Kajabi is adding community functionality, and Simplero offers that as well. They're both trying to compete with Mighty Networks or Circle. I think if you're going with a community focus and you want it cloud-based, you'd probably still be best looking at Mighty Networks. But you have to make your choice. When it comes to building websites, they've got strengths and weaknesses. When it comes to the actual website, Kajabi is easier to use and it comes with a set of themes, where Simplero doesn't come with the themes, but the actual mechanics of building out different sections is much better. But it switches when it comes to landing pages. Actually, Simplero offers a better library, a better choice of pre-made landing pages than what Kajabi does. Also, affiliate marketing, I think Simplero has got the edge there. I could go on just ranting on about the different sections, but you can try both out with a 14-day money-back guarantee. I think you've got to try both to be truthful about it, because they are very similar products. There are differences, but they're not. There isn't one fundamentally better product than the other, in my opinion. That they cross-fertilize quite a lot. I think it will depend on certain elements that might appeal to you more on one platform than the other. I think if you're cost sensitive, Simplero offers better value, but I think there's certain parts, I think also around education, around training, I think Kajabi is a more polished and offers more training on its platform. I think obviously I'm into WordPress, and if you're looking for even better cost-effective and more flexible system, have a look at what WP-Tonic's got to offer. But what can I say at the end? If I was looking at either one, what would I choose? Which one of them would I choose? That's a difficult one. I think I'll probably stay with Kajabi, to be truthful about it. If I was looking for this cloud-hosted system, but that's not to say Simpliero's rubbish. It definitely isn't. You might, after you tried both, have a different opinion. I'll see you soon, folks. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, ring the bell. Tells YouTube that I've done a reasonable job, and please subscribe to the channel because that really does encourage me to make more of these videos. Also, there's a link in the video description where I'll go into all this in a lot more detail about the differences between the two platforms. I didn't want this video to be War and Peace. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.